Assalamu alaikum. Well, this is me, Muhammad Saad, with you once again, your very own yoga teacher from Cloud9 Wellness Studio. आज की हमारी practice would be majorly working on to the low body. So we're going to hold some warriors today, some dancing warriors, and we're going to warm up the body with some sun salutations. So, with any other practice, किसी भी प्रैक्टिस में वेदर हम वॉरियर्स स्टार्ट करें या हम कोई भी प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट करें, वी ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विद द ग्राउंडिंग. सो वी नीड टू ब्रिंग आवरसेल्फ बैक. सो वी आर गोना स्टैंड ऑन टू द मैट इन अ कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन. कीप योर फीट स्लाइटली वाइड. जस्ट इंटरलेस योर फिंगर्स. जस्ट रिलैक्स एंड ब्रीथ. So we're going to take a deep inhale through your nostrils. And you're going to slowly and gently breathe out. Inhale in through your nostrils deeply. And slowly and gently breathe out. One more deep inhale. And gently breathe out. Just stay there and keep following the rhythm of your breath. Keep observing on how you're inhaling and exhaling through your nostrils, and just concentrate on the rhythm of each breath in and each breath out. Let go of any thoughts that you have in your mind right now. Now that you're there on the mat, let's bring ourselves back to our own being. अपने तमाम plans, तमाम expectations, कुछ भी इस टाइम अगर आपके दिमाग में चल रहे, just keep it aside. For the next 15 minutes approximately, हम लोग सिर्फ अपने ऊपर तवज्जो देंगे और हम लोग तमाम आउटर डिस्ट्रैक्शन से, आउटर वाइब्रेशन से थोड़ा सा दूर रहेंगे. कोशिश करेंगे कि वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू एंटरटेन एनी ऑफ द थॉट्स, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू एंटरटेन एनी ऑफ द सेंसेशंस, एनी साउंड्स दैट वी कैन हियर राइट नाउ. जस्ट लेट देम गो. जस्ट ऑब्जर्व योर ओन बीइंग. जस्ट ऑब्जर्व, सिर्फ अपने आप को, अपने माइंड को ऑब्जर्व करें इस टाइम, और सिर्फ ध्यान दें कि आपकी बॉडी इस टाइम आपसे क्या बात कर रही है. अगर किसी भी तरह से you're moving back and forth or swaying sideways, try to eliminate that movement and just find some stillness into this Tadasana position, a standing position, a relaxing standing position. Keep breathing and keep gently observing yourself. Right. You're going to slowly now open your eyes up and welcome back. Let's crack on with some quick warm-up. So we're going to incorporate 2 rounds of sun salutation classic. Uske baad we'll go on with some dancing series, or we're going to incorporate some more sun salutation. So you're going to come on top of your mat. You're going to bring your feet together, heels together, tailbone slightly tucked in, shoulders roll back and relax. Now you're going to inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, you're going to bring your palms in front of your chest. With the next inhale, you're going to raise your arms up, bend your back, activate your glutes, protect your lower back. With an exhalation, you're going to lengthen your arms. You're going to lengthen your spine. You're going to bring your palms by the side of your feet. With the next inhale, you're going to bring your right leg back, right knee on the mat, toes pointing back. You're going to press your hips towards the mat. You're going to look up and breathe. And with an exhale, you're going to bring your left foot back into Parvatasana, mountain pose. You're going to stretch your arms forward, hips pointing up towards the ceiling. Try bringing your heels towards the mat. अगर आप heel mat की तरफ नहीं आते, you can slightly keep your legs bent. Try keeping your spine straight. You're going to place your knees on the mat. Chest and chin in between your palms. Toes pointing back. You're going to inhale, slide into Bhujangasana. Make sure to keep your neck long. Don't tuck the neck in. Keep your neck long. Breathe. With an exhale, you're going to come up, move back into Parvatasana. Once again. Inhale, bring the same leg forward. Right leg, left knee on the mat. To look up and breathe. And with an exhale, you're going to bring your left foot forward into a full forward bending position. Inhale all the way up and back. Exhale into prayer position. Inhale, exhale. Let's continue second round. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, palms in front of your chest. Inhale up and back. Exhale, a full forward bending position. This time with an inhale, you're going to reach the opposite leg back. You're going to press your hips towards the mat. Make sure that your right palm pura mat pe. You're going to look up and take a deep inhale. And with an exhale, you're going to bring your right foot back into Parvatasana, mountain pose. Knees on the mat. Chest and chin in between your palms, elbows towards each other. Untuck your toes, inhale and come up into Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Exhale, move back into Parvatasana, mountain pose once again. Inhale, bring your left foot forward, right knee on the mat, toes pointing back, look up and breathe. With an exhale, you're going to bring your left foot forward into a full forward bending. Inhale all the way up and back. Exhale into Namaskarasana. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, release, relax. Excellent. Slightly widen your feet once again. Toes, bring your palms together and just observe the changes happening in your body. The heart rate might be changing. The body temperature might be changing slightly. And your breath must be lengthening. So you're going to slowly release your palms once again. Let's crack on with some dancing warriors. So you're going to gently raise your left leg up. And with very controlled manner, you're going to bring your left leg back. You're going to place the back foot on the mat, onto 60-degree angle, diagonal. Front knee above the heel, back foot pressed into the mat. Hips ko samne ki taraf point karne. You're going to raise your arms up into a warrior one position. Stay here. Keep your arms lengthened. And instead of arching your spine, you slightly tuck you're going to suck your abdomen in. You're going to straighten your torso up. Stay here. And breathe. 10 more counts. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Now you're going to open your arms up into a warrior 2 position. Make sure you keep the stance same, but this time instead of keeping the hips to the front, you're going to bring your hips to the side. So you're going to bring your hips to the side, straighten your arms up and look forward. Middle finger of your right palm. Both arms straight, torso in the center. Aage ki taraf nahi, piche ki taraf nahi. Keep your torso in center, keep your shoulders relaxed and breathe. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. I'm going to wrap your left arm around your back. Inhale, raise your right arm up. Keep your shoulder open, keep your chest open. Bend back into a reverse warrior. With an exhale, you're going to bring your right forearm onto your right thigh. Going to stretch your left arm up and back. Side angle position. Yahin se we can modify into Trikonasana. So you can place your right arm down. You're going to stretch your left arm over your head and breathe. Make sure to keep your hip open. Breathe. 5. 4. 3, 2, and 1. I'm going to bring your left arm down. I'm going to frame your front foot, bring your right leg back into a plank position. I'm going to roll onto your toes, exhale down, chaturanga, untuck your toes, inhale into up dog position. Exhale, move back into downward dog. With the next inhale, you're going to bring your left foot forward. We're going to repeat this, all the things onto the other side. So back foot onto 60, hips to the front, and raise your arms up into a warrior one. Once again, don't arch your spine. Suck your abdomen in, straighten your torso up. Look up and breathe. Front knee above the heel, back foot pressed into the mat. Stay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now open your arms up into a warrior two position. Torso in center. So you're going to hold this warrior two. Stay. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You're going to wrap your right arm around your back. You're going to raise your left arm up. You're going to stretch it back into reverse warrior. Exhale. Left forearm, left thigh. Don't press it down, just take a support, gentle support. Keep your ear away from the shoulder. Stretch your right arm up. Stretch it towards the ceiling, to the front. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You're going to place your left arm down onto the mat. Keep stretching your right arm forward. Last 5 counts. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your right arm down. Frame your front foot. Bring your left leg back into a plank position. Keep yourself strong. Keep pressing the palms down. Breathe. Last 5 counts. 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll onto your toes. Exhale down. Chaturanga. Inhale. Up dog. Exhale. Into downward facing dog. Stay here and breathe. Inhale through your nostrils. Exhale out. Inhale in. And exhale out. Inhale in. And exhale out. On to the next inhale, you're going to look forward. You're going one by one. You're going to bring your legs forward into half forward fold position with an exhale into a full forward bending. With the next inhale, you're going to bend your knees. You're going to touch your fingers to the mat. You're going to raise your arms up into Utkatasana, chair position. Make sure to keep your weight onto your heels. Knees are behind the toes. Arms are stretched up. And once again, without arching your spine, suck your abdomen in. Straighten your arms up. Torso in as well. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You're going to slowly come up. Relax your palms. Interlace your fingers. Slightly widen your feet. And breathe. Inhale and exhale through your nostrils. Just observe on how you're feeling right now. So I'm just going to add on one sun salutation. And then we're going to wind up the practice. So you're going to bring your legs together. You're just going to incorporate one sun salutation A. So you're going to keep your feet together. You're going to keep your hips slightly tucked in, shoulders roll back. You're going to inhale, raise your arms up, stretch your arms up. With an exhale, a full swan dive, full forward bending position. Inhale halfway up, lengthen your spine. With an exhale, you can press your palms into the mat. You can hop back, or you can one by one bring your legs back into plank. Exhale down chaturanga. Inhale into up dog. Exhale, move back into downward facing dog. Inhale, look forward, jump, hop, a step forward into half forward fold position. Exhale, full forward bend. Inhale all the way up and exhale into prayer position. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, release and relax. So you can stay here into Sthirasana, needle pose position, or you can lay down into Savasana. Make sure that you keep your awareness to your breath. Make sure that you stay mindful. And whenever you want to wind up the practice, it's a very humble request that you take out about 2 minutes for your own being. Because once you're going to wind up the practice, that is the fruit of the asanas. That is the fruit of the practice. So just observe those gentle sensations inside your body. Observe the lengthening of the breath. Observe on how your body reacts to whatever you're doing right now, and be mindful, be conscious to each and every single action that you take. I hope you like the practice. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you soon again, inshallah. So you take care of yourself and stay healthy. Allah Paak apne hifz o iman mein rakhe aapko. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.